Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a full face of Sheglam makeup because I just recently bought some makeup from Sheglam and I thought it would be nice to just do a full face of everything that I've collected so far. So I have already primed my face using this Sheglam Good Grip Hydrating Prime and Setting Spray. The one thing that I did get that is new to me is this Sheglam Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. I got in the shade Earth. Yeah, I got in the shade Earth. I also got this Sheglam Glam 101 Hybrid Highlighter and Blush Duo. Got that. And I also got this Sheglam Adventurous Aries palette. That's what it looks like. I've already played in this shade. It was too pretty. I was very excited to get it, so I already played in that one. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Pumped out like a pump and a half, and that's what that looks like. It is very thick formula. And I have been wearing this foundation and it's a really nice foundation. It doesn't crease in my smile lines, which is very important to me, and the transfer is quite minimal. I'm going to use this Sheglam Like Magic 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer. I have the shade Earth. This is a very nice concealer, very nice full coverage, and really good. I really like it. Sheglam Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour in the shade Earthy Sepia. This is one of my favorite bronzers of life. Basically really nice warm undertone. It's just really good. I really like it. I set with this Sheglam Baked Glow Setting Powder. I have the shade Cappuccino. This is one of my favorite loose powders to set my under eye. It's very finely milled. It's just one of the best affordable powders out there. If you have not tried this powder, please get it. Please try it. Okay, you won't regret it. It's really good. Like really good. This is one of the powders that I will always repurchase, honestly. And I'm gonna use this Sheglam Sunside bronzer. So that looks like. This is in the shade Sunset Walk. This bronzer has a neutral undertone, which is perfect if you want to do like no makeup looks. Blush duo. Oh, there's a lot of kickback. Okay, showing up. I'm gonna set my face with this Sheglam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo. I'm going to use the bottom shade. Getting into eyeshadow, I'm going to use these two shades, including this one that I've already played with. I was very excited for that one. So this is what the look is giving for now. I think I want to line the lash line with this really deep dark purple. So I'm just going to take an angle brush. I gave it all I could, stuck in this dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, sick of this letter line, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. It's got to be more than here before. I'm gonna add some mascara. The Sheglam, my favorite mascara of all time. I'm gonna use this Sheglam So Lippy lip liner to line my lips. This is basically the color of my skin tone. It's not that I don't want you. I'm gonna use this Sheglam lipstick. I'm pretty sure there's another name for this, but it's in the shade Period with a T at the end. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Now, does this lip go with the eyes? Probably not, but we're using what we have. Sheglam, this eyebrow pencil. It is called the Micro Define 0.9mm Brow Pencil. I have the shade I don't know what shade this is. I will put it in the description box because it's not on here. But it's basically like, you know, brush one side, pencil on the other. And what drew me to this is that this it has a very thin pencil. So this is reminding me of the Maybelline one that I used, the Slim Express Brow. So, but I think this one is actually thinner than the Maybelline one. So I only fill in like in the beginning part of my brow, just like right there, and then like at the end there, and then sometimes like right in the middle there. Just that's it. before, otherwise it's gonna give brow blindness. I think I did pretty good with the color selection. I believe this is the second darkest one that they have, and that's usually the color that I go for brows, like the one just before black, because black on me would be slightly too harsh. Then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. Okay. I'm gonna use the highlighter in here to put some highlight on my nose. I have not done that in years. And I don't know if this highlighter is glittery, powdery. I don't know. Let's see. Did anything happen? Okay, so it's definitely glittery. It is a glittery highlighter. I have another Sheglam highlighter that I do enjoy. I'll put the name somewhere. But this one, it's a no for me. And then I'm gonna do it on my brow bone. Do people still highlight on their brow bones using highlight? I wonder. Comment down below, let me know if you still do this. Because I stopped doing this like years ago. That's also why I stopped buying highlighter, because I don't use it anymore. Video. Okay, I don't know, I feel like it looks much better on my brows. Alright, so this is the completed look of a full face of Sheglam products. What do you think? Do you like this look? Do you own any Sheglam makeup products? Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you own any of the ones that I used and tried today? Also let me know in the comment section. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Full face of whatever makeup brand, makeup reviews, shop my stash, all the good things. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care and bye.